Hello dear students, welcome to a new math session. Today we'll be talking about the relation between two variables. If we have an example that says, what are the different possibilities for a person to pay 45 Egyptian pounds using two kinds of bills or banknotes of 5 pounds and 10 pounds? So, to answer this question, we're going to let the number of bills of the 5 pounds x, then its value is 5x pounds, and the number of bills of 10 pounds will be y, then its value is 10y. So, we're going to say that 5x plus 10y equals a total of 45 pounds. Dividing the two sides by 5, x plus 2y equals 9. Putting x in one side, then the equation will be in the form of x equals 9 minus 2y. Here is the equation. We're going to form the table in order to find the possible number of bills of each kind. If we put y equals 0, then 9 minus 2 times 0 equals 9. So we're going to have 9 as an ordered pair. We're going to have 9 for x and 0 for y. This means that we have 9 bills of x, which is the 9 bills of 5 pounds, and no bills of 10 pounds. If we replace y by 1 to find x, 9 minus 2 times 1 equals 7. Then we're going to have 7 bills of 5 pounds plus 1 bill of 10 pounds, and so on. We do the rest of the table. Let's now go and check the linear relation. The linear relation is a relation of the first degree between two variables x and y, and it's usually written in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are both non-zero numbers, or we can say that a and b are not both equal to 0. There are an infinite number of ordered pairs which satisfy this relation. This relation is represented by a straight line. Exercise number 1. Find 3 ordered pairs that are satisfying the relation 3x plus y equals 5. We're going to put the relation in the format of y equals 5 minus 3x. Try to put any of the variables alone in one side. So in this question, we're going to put y equals, so we need to move the x part to the other side. So it will be y equals 5 minus 3x. After that, we can replace x by any 3 values we want. So we can replace x by 0, by 1, and by 2. So if you put x equals 0, we can easily go and find y. Y equals 5 minus 3 times 0, so y equals 5. Then the ordered pair in this case is 0 and 5. Put x equals 1, so y equals 5 minus 3 times 1. Then y equals 2. So the ordered pair here is 1 for x and 2 for y. The third value, we put x equals 2, then y equals 5 minus 3 times 2, which is negative 1. So the third order pair we have is 2 and negative 1. Exercise 2. Find 3 ordered pairs that satisfies the relation 3x equals 2. In this relation, there is no y. So we need to isolate x. So it will be 3x equals 6, then x is equal to 2. So here in this problem, x has a value of 2 with regardless the value of y. So for any y value, x is always equal to 2. So we're going to put the relation at the form of x equals 2. Then this means that x is equal to 2 for all values of y. Then the ordered pairs that satisfy the relation are x is equal to 2 with all values of y, so we can give examples as 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, negative 3. Exercise 3, if the ordered pair AA, take care here that x value is A and y value is A. Whenever we have an ordered pair, we can easily, in the equation, replace the x part in the ordered pair by x in the equation and the y part of the ordered pair by the y in the equation. So, 3x plus y equals 12 as the equation. We're going to replace x by a and y by a. So 3a plus a equals 12. We can combine the two like terms together. It will be 4a equals 12. Then a is equal to 3. Exercise number 4. If 3, 1 satisfies the relation y minus 3x equals k, find the value of k. Again, we're repeating, whenever you have an ordered pair, you can easily replace the two values in the ordered pair, x and y, by the x and y in the equation. So we're going to do this by replacing x and y in the equation to find the value of k. So y, which is 1, minus 3 times x, which is 3 times 3, equals k. So 1 minus 3 times 3 equals negative 8. Then k equals negative 8. Let's now move on to the evaluation part. The first question in the evaluation says, choose the correct answer from those given. If 2 and negative 5 satisfies this relation, how can we find the value of c? So we can replace the x by 2 and the y by negative 5. So 3 times 2 minus negative 5 plus c equals 0. So 6 plus 5 plus c equals 0. Then c equals negative 11. Then for question 1, the correct answer is choice D. Question 2, which of the following ordered pairs satisfy the relation 2x plus y equals 5? Which of these four choices I can replace x by the x part of the ordered pair and y by the y part of the ordered pair in order to make it equal to 5. If you look at the choices, you can see that choice B, 2 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. So choice B is the correct answer. Question 3. 3, 2 does not satisfy which of the following relations? Here in this question, this ordered pair is wrong with which of the following? Here in this question, 3 and 2, this ordered pair is wrong in only one of these answers, and the other 3 are correct. So as you can see here, that the 2 plus 3 is definitely not equal to 7. So choice C is the right choice. For question 4, if this point lies on the straight line which represents the relation, which of the following? So which of the following relations I can replace x by 3 and y by 5 to have it as a correct relation? So in choice B, you can see that 2 times 3 minus 5 is equal to 1. Then the correct choice is choice B. Question 2, we're going to replace x by 3 and y by 6 to find the value of k. So y, which is 6, equals k times 3. Divide both sides by 3. Then k is equal to 2. In question 3, we're going to replace the x by 3 and the y by 1. Then 1 minus 3 times 3 is equal to a. Then negative 8 is equal to a. So the value of a equals negative 8. Question 4, find the value of b where this is x and this is y satisfies this relation. So 3 times negative 3 plus 2 times b equals 1. So negative 9 plus 2b equals 1. Then 2b equals 10. Automatically b will be equals to 5. By solving this problem, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much, dear students, and wishing you best of luck.